523, 524. Man, forget going to the gym. You can just curl this thing. I mean, they call it the Mega Duty for a reason. The Gen Y Mega Duty 16K drop hitch isn't playing around. This thing came to get the job done. It can handle 2,000 pounds of tongue weight, and with a 16,000 pound towing capacity, this hitch is ready for just about anything. Got a boat, trailer, or just want to go off-road? It can handle it all. And it's super easy to adjust. You just pull the pin, move the hitch ball to your desired height, put the pin back in, and make sure you don't forget your safety pin. Drop or raise your 2-inch and 2 5/16 inch dual ball hitch 5 to 17.5 inches. It's designed and has been tested to be used in the drop or rise position. It's insanely versatile. It starts with the construction of heavy-duty steel for strength. Then it's sandblasted and coated with this durable silver vein powder coat. It's available in a 2-inch shank and is designed for 1.5-inch or smaller lunette rings. With this hitch, towing will be safer and easier than ever.